How to fix text cutoff in Word margins. If you're working on a document in Microsoft Word and notice that the edges of your text, tables or letters are getting chopped off at the margins, it can make your document look completely broken. This usually happens due to negative indents, table overflow, or fixed line spacing. So I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this text cutoff in under 2 minutes. So first, let's check if your text paragraph has been accidentally dragged past the margin border. So highlight the text that's getting cut off on the sides. Look up at the top horizontal ruler bar. If you don't see it, you need to enable it. As you can see, I have the ruler here. Look at a small gray indent markers on the far left and right. As you can see right here, also we have them right here. If the right indent marker sits outside the white page area, click it and drag it back to align with the margin boundary line. So as you can see in my case, it's right over here, and it's right where my text is ending on both sides. So it never should pass outside of this white end border. And if your text is getting cut off inside a table because the cells extend past the edge of the page, fixing it takes just a few clicks. So just click anywhere inside the overflowing table and then just select it. Right click the 4-way crosshair icon right over here. Hover over Auto Fit right here. And choose Auto Fit to Window like this. And Word will instantly shrink your table and all contained text so it fits perfectly inside your page margins. Finally, if the tops or bottoms of your letters look sliced off vertically, you're dealing with a line spacing lock. So highlight the clipped text and then go to the Home tab, which should be this one here. Click the small paragraph settings arrow right over here. And look at the line spacing drop down right over here. Click here and then choose exactly from the drop down. And Word forces the line height to a fixed number, which chops off taller fonts. You can also change it to multiple or at least, then click OK, and your letters will expand to full height. That is it. Enjoy, guys, as always. Thank you for watching.